In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Regice in Cobbleverse. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you have the Hoenn region unlocked. To unlock the Hoenn region, you need to defeat the Kanto region, including Champion Blue, and the entire Johto region, including Champion Lands. And then afterwards, you're able to go ahead and unlock the Hoenn region. You could, of course, use commands such as /function followed by Cobbleverse, then type in blue_champion defeated, and then you're able to restart your game, then do /function Cobbleverse lands champion defeated in order to unlock the Hoenn region. So that is one way that you're able to do it. So now that you have the Hoenn region unlocked, be sure to create the Hoenn cartography table. The next thing you will need is you will need the Cryo Relic, which is the item that is actually going to awaken Regice himself. So to get this, you're going to need to go ahead and find this ore called the Ice, and then here it is, the Ice ore. So you're able to go ahead and find this in like icebox biomes and snowy biomes, etc. It is a little bit hard to find, but nonetheless, this is what you need to do in order to actually find Regice. And also, what I recommend that you guys do is actually get a empty map and also construct a Regice radar. So this is the crafting recipe for the Regice radar. You're going to need some packed ice, some large sky tumblestone. You're going to need ice gem, a Poke radar. And this is the crafting recipe of the Poke radar right over here. So again, it is a little bit expensive, but once you have all those items, you're able to open up the Hoenn cartography table, place your empty map. But anyways, you're able to take your empty map, then place your Regice radar, and that is going to generate you a map that will take you to the nearest location of the Regice. And the Regice is going to spawn in like a snowy temple. So check this out. Here's the map over here. It's going to let you know which direction is north and stuff like that. So you could, of course, use this, but what you could also do is you can go ahead and run a particular command. So it is /locate followed by structure followed by Cobbleverse. So again, you can do this both survival and of course, if you do have commands turned on, you could of course use this command. Then type in legendary /Regice, then press on enter. Then it's going to let you know where the nearest one is. And I'm not going to lie, these can definitely be very hard to find. So I highly suggest crafting the map because otherwise you're just going to be wanderingly aimlessly and stuff like that. Alright guys, so here is the temple. It is going to look something like this. So all you want to do is you want to make your way inside, then use your Cryo Relic on the altar, and that is going to spawn Regice himself, and you're able to battle him. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.